Hey guys, Grant Gould here, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale Boulevard, Bossier City, Louisiana. Today I'm bringing y'all something special to the table. This is going to be the Grand Design 21G Momentum. This thing is outstanding. Fiberglass exterior, aluminum frame, power tongue jack in the front. Y'all, the storage is out of this world. Tons of storage on the side. You got a spot to put a TV outside. You see I got the awning out somewhat. LED lights, and with the G-rated tires, and they are Goodyear tires. Coming off the back, you do have the 10-foot porch that lays down with the armless awning that covers the back porch. I put it out a little bit, and you also have the LED lights with the French doors that lead inside. But we'll go on the inside and I'll show y'all how special this thing is and why this is one of my favorite toy haulers. So coming in, instantly you see the beauty of this thing. Happy Jack bunk system with a queen on top, double couches or a bed and a couch or two beds. Nice recliners here, they do lay completely flat. Tons of cabinets with a full-size kitchen. Deep farm style stainless steel sink with a residential faucet. Tons of windows with a 3-top range and an oven. Nice microwave with a real residential style fridge. They took the gas element out so it's much deeper. Right here next to the fridge is this flat screen TV. You also have a Rockford Fosgate sound system. But let's go into the master. You're really gonna love this. So coming into the master bedroom, you have the bed slide. This is a real queen bed. Nice little mirror over here with tons of storage with space all the way around this bed. And backing out the other way, you have the master bath with the porcelain toilet, stand-up shower, and doors for privacy all throughout. Now, if this thing wasn't beautiful enough, I'm about to show you how really beautiful it is with this price. Coming in hot on the 2022, I said that right, Momentum G-Class 21G. Go to buyoutdoor.com, type in stock number 23786. $55,817. We're knocking off $12,822. You're only paying $42,995 for this. It's even prepped and wired for a generator. Guys, get in here today. 1800 Barksdale Boulevard, Bossier City, Louisiana. I'm Grant Gould, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. I'll see y'all soon.